Hey guys, and welcome to today's tutorial on another one of my favorite page styles. So that's my favorite page style, number 9, and it's basically an accordion photo mat which you can open up by untying the ribbon bow, and then you have spots for 4 different full-size photos in size 4 by 6 inches. And I just love using journaling cards for decorating my interactive elements. So as you can see here, this page style is perfect to use some 3x4 or 6x4 journaling cards. And because cardstock element A is the only piece we need to score at, we can just continue by folding up our cardstock element A. So for this, I just fold up on the first scoring line, and then I get my bone folder, I burnish it down, turn around my cardstock, and then I fold it up on the second scoring line again. And this leaves you with this accordion page style. Now we can go ahead and we want to attach our pattern paper for the basic page onto our basic page. And for this, you see me using wet glue instead of tape because by using wet glue, you will be still able to move around the pattern paper and find the right position when you place it down onto the cardstock. In the next step, we want to attach our ribbon pieces onto our cardstock element A. And for this, just make sure that you choose the side you want to be the top side, and then turn your cardstock element around and use your ruler to find the middle of the cardstock element, or if you like to, you can just eyeball it. And but you see me using my Tim Holtz ruler here and marking it down with a pencil so that I know where to place my ribbon. And then to attach it, I just rip off 2 pieces of score tape, and then I just take my first ribbon piece and place it onto one side. And then to actually secure it in place, I like to get another piece of ribbon to put on top of the attached ribbon. So actually I didn't cut the ribbon into pieces before I attached them, but it doesn't matter. So you can cut it before, you can just do it like I'm doing it here. So now you see me attaching it to the other side, and then I turn it around and I just cut off in the middle of the folded ribbon so that I have 2 pieces in exactly the same length. But of course, you could cut it off before. Okay, so now we only need to attach our pattern paper A onto our cardstock element A. And again, for this I like to use wet glue instead of tape because then I'm still able to move around my pattern paper. And once you have attached your pattern paper onto your cardstock element A, we can just go ahead and tie a bow so our cardstock element A is prepared and ready to be placed onto our basic page. And this brings us to our last step already. So for attaching the cardstock element A onto our basic page, I now like to use tape instead of wet glue because while I love using wet glue for attaching pattern paper, I never would use wet glue for attaching any cardstock element onto another cardstock element. So I just place tape on both sides, on the left and the right side here. I think that's enough to have it stick in place. And then I like to get my bone folder, burnish it down, and once I've burnished it down, I just remove the tape backing, and then I hold it on my basic page. And once I've found the right position, I press it down and have it attached to the basic page. And yes, now we are basically done with our page style number 9. But what I like to do in the end is to get a lighter and then just burn off the ends of the ribbon so that it won't rip apart so easily. Okay, so that's the finished page style. We can just open it up by open the ribbon tie, and then you have the accordion, and you have actually 4 spaces for 6x4 pictures here. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it, and if you did so, please give it a thumbs up and also leave your feedback in the comments. I always love to read your feedback every day. So yeah, if you have any question, you can also leave it in the comments, and then see you next time. Bye!